Well, good afternoon, members of the board, MnHIMA membership, and friends. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to my friend and colleague, Jean MacDonell, MBA, RHIA, as MnHIMA's 2021 Distinguished Member. I've known Jean for approximately 12 years when Jean first joined Allina Health. HIM was undergoing significant change at that time as we were working on consolidating our operations across our hospitals and clinics. As the director of HIM for hospital operations, Jean was instrumental and effectively led 11 management teams to consensus and collaboration for that consolidation activity. Jean had a clear vision and a very collaborative approach. She is a creative leader, mentor, careful listener, leads by example, and an effective communicator. She quickly distinguished herself as a trusted partner and collaborator. Jean has been an active MnHIMA member, volunteer, and board member. She has distinguished herself with progressive education, progressive leadership positions, and as an outstanding leader. She's a past MnHIMA treasurer, delegate director, president, and a KFA coordinator. She is a consummate professional who is thoughtful, engaging, strategic, and has proven herself a valuable asset to any organization that she's been a part of. Jean is currently the President and Chief Executive Officer of Grand Itasca Clinic and Hospital in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, part of the Fairview Health System, and the Interim President at Fairview Range Health Campus in Hibbing. She's an active community volunteer, serving as a board member for the Itasca County YWCA, the Grand Rapids Area Chamber of Commerce, and the Grand Rapids Area Library. Jean has led your organizations effectively through this national pandemic during a time of significant change across the healthcare landscape. Outside of work, Jean and her husband Mike are busy raising their 2 daughters, are involved in community activities, youth hockey, fishing, and time on the water with family and friends. As I think about leader qualities, Jean is, in my view, a servant leader. Those characteristics are: value diverse opinions and contributions from everyone, cultivate a culture of trust, work to develop other leaders, help people with life issues, not just work issues, is inclusive in your encouragement. She sells instead of tells, thinks you and not me, and has a selfless quality. Thinks long-term about the next generations, the next leaders, and the next opportunities. And you act with humility. Friends and colleagues, it is my pleasure to introduce you to Jean MacDonell, MnHIMA's 2021 Distinguished Member.
Thanks, Steph.
Thank you.
That's really nice. Thank you, everybody. I'm honored to accept this award. And I think it was Steph who first got me involved with MnHIMA.
Could have been.
When I joined Allina, I can remember the conversation. And it's just been such a special part of my career, and certainly a place where I've made many friends. And even if we're not working together, it's so great to keep that network going, and has just really been an important part of the profession and my career path. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your words, Steph. We always had a lot of fun at work, and I do think that, you know, part of my success as a leader has come from just knowing great people like Steph and many of you that I've worked with over the years, and I really appreciate that partnership. I think one of the things that I always say about myself is that I'm really focused on relationships and community, and MnHIMA has been that and provided that for me over the last 15 years for sure. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate you driving to the far north, Steph, to present
My pleasure.
to present this award. And I should thank my family too. I don't know if this is just going to the board, but even for the board, my life is very busy, and as everybody's is, especially this last year. I spent many hours here in this office through the pandemic, so really want to give a shout out to my hubby and my mom for helping me out at home too. So, and all my colleagues at work, at Grand Itasca and at Range. Well, thank you so much. I'm honored.
Thank you.